Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook cover photo on PC using the latest update. Whether you want to refresh your profile or showcase a new photo, this simple process will have your cover photo updated in no time. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open your web browser and go to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. Step 2. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top of the page and click on your profile photo. This will take you to your profile. Step 3. After you're on your profile page, you'll see your current cover photo. Click on it to open more options. Step 4. In the menu that appears, click on Edit Cover Photo. This will give you options to either upload a new photo or select from your existing ones. Step 5. You can choose Upload Photo to upload a new picture from your computer or select a photo from your Photos and Album, or one of Facebook's pre-selected options. Step 6. After selecting your photo, you can adjust the positioning as needed. Drag the photo to reposition it or zoom in, out to get the perfect fit for your cover. Step 7. Once you're happy with how the photo looks, click Save Changes to apply the new cover photo. And that's it. Your new cover photo is now live on your Facebook profile. If you ever want to change it again, just follow the same steps. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future tips.